Using these self-stick vinyl tiles, we're gonna take our old dated backsplash to go from this to this and give your kitchen that instant wow factor. Now this is a pretty easy job that anyone can do, and we're gonna show you step by step by step how to get it done. But pay close attention, because there are some things you can do during this project where you can kind of mess it up and not have a great end result. As long as you follow our steps, you will have a great end result, but just pay close attention not to have any of the common pitfalls affect your job. What we're going to do is we are going to adhere this new vinyl stick tile onto this existing ceramic backsplash. This should be a pretty easy job. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up really, really nice, and then we're going to take this flexible vinyl tile here, not really flexible, but plastic. We'll show you how to cut it and everything else. Peel it off, and then we're going to stick it in here and show you how it does it across the entire backsplash. It's a pretty easy way to do a quick update on your backsplash without ripping it all out and do new drywall, new tile and everything. But then for good measure, we're also going to grout these grout lines so that it really pops. So this should be pretty cool. Once you've cleaned your backsplash, you want to figure out where you're going to start. If you have a corner, you probably want to start in that corner. But you need to start with a straight line. So we'll show you how to cut these, but you want to cut these into a straight line into the corner and get it nice and fit. And what we're going to do is, after those are fit into the corner, then we're going to take the cut pieces and we're going to attach them to the wall next to it, if you can see that. And then we're going to attach a full sheet so it'll look like it kind of wraps, because the goal is to make it look like it wraps around the entire edge. So we'll get that one attached, we'll put on those little cut pieces, and then we'll make it wrap from that corner. Now these sheets are really, really sticky. So once it gets on there really is no getting it off. It's kind of on there and that's it for good. So what you want to do is just kind of peel off a little bit of the back. These are really almost like individual tiles on here. Even though they're one sheet, they will separate pretty easily. But you want to peel off just a little bit of the back, line it up where you want to go, and get that edge caught on. And then once the edge is on, then you peel off the rest of the back and you push it on there. And it is not going anywhere. You really can't get it off once it's stuck on there. Yeah, it's on there really good. When it's time to cut this vinyl tile, you'll see it's all covered on the back. This one actually has some grout testing in it. But you can use a razor blade and you can just score the front along a straight edge. And if you score the front along a straight edge, you make a line first. There actually is some sort, on this particular one, some sort of metal layer on the top. But when you score it like that, and you just apply pressure, it will snap right along your line. So it snaps, and you would cut the back, the part that holds it together. And what you have after that is a perfect line that you can use to work around your edges. You could also probably use a jigsaw or any sort of chop saw, but it's really easy to go ahead and score and snap with just a razor blade. And then what you can also do is you take some tin snips, and with the tin snips, you can use this if you're getting around a corner, like around an outlet or something. You can actually just cut them with the tin snips. Now they're pretty strong. I don't think they'll cut with regular scissors, but just like that, score, snap, cut. Pretty easy, you got it. So we've gotten the backsplash all attached, and once you do, it's time to grout it. Now you don't have to grout this. This is ungrouted. It looks pretty cool. But if you grout it, it will really give it a nice finished look. So you can get pre-mixed grout, or you can mix your own. We're using this dark gray. And basically once you mix it in, then you just want to work in different angles, and you want to cover the surface really evenly with that grout. So you're going to take off all the excess, and I'll show you this part just for speed's sake. So we're going to take that all off, and then you want to take a nice clean sponge in a bucket of water, and you're going to gently wipe off the excess grout. This one has a neat microfiber on the other side, so it'll give a nice finished look. You're going to do that. Let's go ahead and hit it one more time. And again, the grouting is not totally necessary, but it will give this a nice finished look. And as that starts to dry, it's going to develop a little bit of a haze like you see over here. But then if you come back once it's totally dry, you'll wipe that haze right off, and it will be very nice. So let's finish up the grouting, and then let's show you the finished product here. Also, be sure to cover your counters just to keep them clean and make it a lot easier in the long run. All done, and that looks awesome. Can't tell if that is real ceramic tile or this vinyl material that, again, are individual, super easy to apply, and does a complete transformation of this kitchen. What do you think? Yeah, pretty cool product. Be sure to check out all of our other videos for a bunch of home how-to tips and tricks. This is an easy way to leave your existing kitchen, but give it a fresh makeover. We went ahead and changed out some cabinet knobs and really refreshed this whole kitchen to where totally changes the look and feel of your space with minimal effort. Anybody can do this. Like all of our videos, we try to instill that confidence that if I can do it, you can too, right? All right, thanks for watching.